We'll guide you through how to use the Instagram map. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The Instagram map feature is a new one. It's really convenient to use. You can go and share your own location with certain people, and you can go and see other people's as well. Press the home button in the bottom left. You can then go and press on the paper plane icon in the top right or swipe across, and at the top, you'll go and see map. So what you can do is go and tap on it like so. You can go and invite others to share. But what we're going to do is start sharing ours. So we need to go and turn on device location. So press that at the top, then press open settings. And we can go and press location at the top. Go and set it to while using the app or always. I'll do always. And we can then return to Instagram. Now it should go and detect our location shortly. Now Instagram has permission. Press the gear or cog icon in the top right. And we can go and choose who can go and see our location. Close friends, only these people. I'll just do only these people. And you can go and press the people below that and choose who they are and search for them. I'll just do GuideRealm videos and press done. Then we can press share location. Then select what you want and you can press share location. And we're now sharing it. So you're now sharing yours. And if you want to, you can then go and request other people. So I could go and request GuideRealm videos as I share my location with them, but you could go and search for more people as well.